Good morning mga ka-TC Boom. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa may graduation ceremony na mangyayari dito sa may Rahal Angayan Elementary School. Kasama ko si Alokri, Teren, pamangkin. Let's go, take care Boom. So, ano ka? Naman tayo matindar. Ito ay commencement exercises, graduation day. Ito ay Rahal Angayan Elementary School. Good. Kuhanan tayo iti footage iti graduate kasali ni pamangkin Pura. Siren si tagahawak tayo si Kwa di cellphone. Good. Good. Agpar tayo di elementary compound iti Rais. Sigurado full paktilugan dito kanto dito paunig kita ako passport di Rahal. Idol. Approaching na tayo dito sa may covered court mga katekip na saan gaganapin yung graduation ceremony. Ito nag-start na yata. Yan yung motor nila ng Sergio. Nag-start na mga katekip boom. Okay. Hanap tayo ng parking. Doon na lang.
Malayo ko din.
Shoutout ka ni pare. Hello. Mag-start na mga ka-taker boom. Shout out sa mga teachers at proud parents. Idol, shout out. Shout out. Shout out sa barangay councils ng Rahal. Idol, shout out. Shout out sa barangay councils ng Rahal. Ayan, shout out. Now, morning. Sad morning. Shout out sa mga nagtitinda sa loob. Shout out sa mga proud parents. Ayan, gaya kayo kakabsat. Ito tayo mamaya. Elante, good morning. Dre, kumusta? Morning. Tara. Dati tayo. Morning, sister. Shout out. Ito siya na. Naning pare o balong? Balong. Ben, say hi. Pogi. Say hi. Hi, ganun, Pogi. Astig. Shout out Angkal. Good morning. Good morning kay pare. Ito na, nag-start na yung program mga ka-TC Boom.
Let us take a moment. So, let's celebrate this day with joy, gratitude, and hope for all the wonderful things like life and any performance. None other than the principal of Rahal Angayan
kay
Dr. Julia C. Collado. A warm round of applause.
Pare, congrats!
Ay!
Shout out!
Shout out di ko, ka-take care.
Ay, shout out, shout out!
Shout out!
Congrats!
Sala kita out!
Ay, shout out kay Kuya. Tapos congrats sa kanyang anak. Ayun, nag-speech pala kanina yung kanyang anak. So, punta tayo sa harap.
They have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12.
Hello, Idol. Good morning. Morning, morning.
Likewise, I am honored to present to you the 30 candidates for OER. 14 of them are males and 16 are females. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the Matatak curriculum, and they are waiting for your acceptance and confirmation.
I, Dr. Mildred C. Spiritu, Public Space District Supervisor, hereby confirm your moving up and graduation rights and declare you movers, kinder, and graduates of Rahalang Gayan Elementary School this 30th day of April 2025. I therefore confer upon you all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining. With this confirmation, for the kinder, you are now all eligible to enroll in grade 1 this coming school year. Of course, dito pa rin sa Rahalang Gayan Elementary School. And for the graduates, you are now eligible to enroll to any secondary school. Comes school year 2025-2026. Congratulations, batch 2025 of Rahalang Gayan Elementary School. Mabuhay! To our honored guest or honorary speaker, to be properly introduced later, our municipal officials, though they are not here with us today, led of course by our mother of our municipality, Honorable Risa Rodriguez Peralta, together with the Sangguniang Bayan members, led by the Vice Mayor Philip Peralta, barangay officials of Rahal, led by Barangay Captain Cecil Baliton, barangay officials of Anggayan Norte, led by Barangay Captain Michelle Cerdeñola, graduates batch 2025, Ballesteros Louis M. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Leopoldo P. Ballesteros. Bergonia Don Pietro D. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Dondon A. Bergonia. Calaos Romel S. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Romeo M. Calaos. Collado Alden B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. or Mr. Dennis M. Collado. Kuday Jairus Rafael U. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jason B. Tial. Dalapo Alder V. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Sylvie R. Dalapo. La Cruz Jos Michael G. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Michael G. La Cruz. Delphine James Emerson C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ralph Emerson Delphine. Tokula Norpin Karen S. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Norpin P. Tokula. Dominguez Axel A. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Dominguez. Espinosa Renzi Crystal L. Parents, Miss Parents, Mr. and Mrs. John Marploy P. Valdez.
Gamboa Giancarlo S. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Marvin B. Gamboa.
Infante Adrian G. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arman M. Infante.
Lopez Jerome P. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Mark John F. Lopez.
Nesperos Paul Aaron M. Parents, Mr. Ransom M. Nesperos.
Paglingayan Marco D. Parents, Mrs. Angeline B. Paglingayan.
Partible Jen Eros U. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Molly S.
Ginagon Owen E. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Rodolfo E. Ginagon.
Rati Stephen D. S. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Manu.
Ramos Miguel R. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Antijo Ramos.
Recomano Prince Ivan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ryan A. Recomano.
Congrats. Loaded ang content
Sarendo R. J. L. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Rodolfo
Silvestre Samuel M. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Samuel M. Silvestre.
Suyat John I.C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arturo N. Suyat Jr.
Suya John Mark Lee. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Romel M. Suya.
Pare John Marco E. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Pio P. Utal.
Umina Arnold Lee. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Roger.
Villata Joven Mrs. Carolina E. Villata.
Aguinaldo Janela Rose M. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Juanito E. Aguinaldo Jr.
Ativo Liz Anita C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Richard B. Ativo.
Aquino Angela C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Armando O. Aquino.
Kadiwa Alexa Marie B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Marie.
Shout out!
Villanueva Heidi O. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Rene C. Villanueva.
Felipe Sophia Grace B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jason A. Felipe.
Florence Jonel Roa A. Parents, Mrs. Gemma A. Flores.
Guerrero Sophia Case. Parents, Miss Abby.
Black Princess Rhea C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Gabriel P. Bell.
Miss Peros, Princess Nicole E. Parents, Mrs. Nelva E. Peros.
Juania Generous F. Parents, Mrs. Birdie F. Flores.
Orenia Angel A. Parents, Mr. Romy Orenia.
Carla Jeneline S. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Felipe S. Carla.
Pascual Princess Nicole C. Parents, Miss Maricon Catiduran.
Suya Alexa M. Parents, Mrs. Percy S. Katika.
Surya Althea Glan C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Andy Surya.
Suya Fatima B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Joyce.
Congrats! Congrats Pura!
Jani Surya.
Apur Aliyah I. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Romel L. Apur.
Tajar Isabel C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Romulo Tajar.
Yapa Elvin Maria B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Eleanor B. Villapa.
Ray.
Okay, get ready. Kindergarten movers and 45.
Picture naman ka?
Kindergarten Movers 2025, Akula Lance Alvin F. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Alvin R. Akula.
Apostol James Marlon M. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Robert A. Apostol.
Aquino Nathaniel C. Parents,
Alan G. Bayuga.
Piado Alex Bison. Parents, Miss Winnie Ann J. Piado.
Castillo Hila Rain T. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Rene R. Castillo.
De la Peña Dressel P. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Pedro P. De la Peña Jr.
Ignacio Elvin Shane B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Larry B. Ignacio.
Napa John Carlo P. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Quirino P. Napa.
Ulita Giancarlo E. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Erickson B. Ulita.
Idolby Angel G. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jasper J. Idolby.
Sahomya Michael James F. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Michael T. Sahomya.
Elias J. Yuhan S. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jeff G. Elias.
Villasista Rance Darwin S. Parents, Mr. and
Master.
Mrs. Darwin C. Villasista.
Shout out!
Belio Princess Louise C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Richard C. Belio.
De Jesus Kyle T. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Edison T. Villasista.
Delphine Joanna Helen C. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ralph
Ayun.
Emerson G.
Sige. Sige, sige.
Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Raphael T.
Patayo pa, white.
Lawrence
White.
Alexa
Pakasta.
I. R.
Sige, sige.
Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Alex P. Lawrence.
Valdez Abreu P. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Giovanni P. Valdez C.
Garcia Apeo Luis B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Apollo B. Garcia.
Quintana Aurelia P. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Milton R. Quintana.
Mongala Helena Metis. Parents, Mrs. Jolie F. Mongala.
Lopez Cordelia Tiara P. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jairo P. Lopez.
Esperos Clarice P. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Marius F. Esperos.
But Zoe Margaret M. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Edwin Carmula.
Piano Shane Rose I. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Robert A. Piano.
Parnan Eliza J. Liu. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalo C. Parnan.
Masi Aiza B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Antero P. Masi Jr.
Rimando Princess Ella D. Mrs. Jerome T. Rimando.
Sige, ating welcome. Ating welcome. Sige, ating. Shoutout kila ating May, tsaka kay mister niya. Shoutout.
Thank you so much. You now have the ticket to aim higher and dream bigger. Brace yourselves and be prepared for more. Dear young graduates and movers, give yourselves a big, big hand for a job well done. Congratulations!
And at this moment, as we recognize
Re, congrats. Congrats, idol.
For our deserving academic graduates, awardees, graduates with Kandan and
So, congrats po sa lahat ng graduates ng Rahalanggan Elementary School. Ayan, hindi na natin matatapos. Congrats, Insan. Shout out. So, hindi na natin matatapos yung program dahil may nag-chat na sa atin. Let's go, idol. Let's go na mga katigir ko. Oh, hello. Shout out. Hello. Congrats. Congrats pala. Ayun. Sige. Yan, shout out sa mga proud parents na nandito. Ayan, umattend sa graduation ng kanilang mga anak. Ayun, shout out kay Late. Shout out. Insan. Abir. Idol, congrats. Ayan, shout out sa mga proud parents. Let's go.
Star Reader Award,
Re, congrats.
Award, Kinder Curious Naturalist Award.
Ayan, so di na natin matatapos yung program dahil may deliver na tayo sa Cadiz. Pagkatapos ng deliver natin sa Cadiz, sa Umingan naman tayo. Let's go.